I want to tell you something, and it may surprise you. Perhaps you've been troubled, as I have, by the recent antics of bullies in suits, squabbling, it seems, to the detriment of our best and highest purpose. Humanity may appear, quite publicly, to have transgressed into infantile tantrums, where the apparent desired outcome is that no one wins. Do not give up hope, my friends. These are just children in the schoolyard, proclaiming their grievances in noisy theatrics. Behind closed doors, the geniuses and professors are quietly inventing solutions for all the world's problems. They are barely distracted by the horde of angry thespians dressed in business attire. Humanitarians go on, secretly conspiring to bring water to arid places. The peacemakers are busily occupied fomenting reconciliation between nations who really all just want their kids to grow up safely. Doctors are curing diseases without very much fuss, and scientists are inconspicuously designing new ways to regrow broken spinal cords and repair damaged brains. All hail to the quiet ones who are eagerly at work making sure that artificial intelligence is used for the highest good of all humankind, making it possible for people to do less work and more of what they love. All hail the peacemakers. You may not see them. Still, I promise they are hard at work behind closed doors and in empty laboratories and serving others even when no one is watching. So while it may distract us momentarily, the flash in the pan of careers imploding as egos collide for a moment of agitated attention, that is not the biggest story. The biggest story is the one we never hear. It is the story of the good folks who are working to keep us safe, whose names we will never know. We are the good people, and trust me, we are the majority. All hail the peacemakers.